Our STS-A31H amplifier provides a full open duplex communication and is compatible with all our window intercom systems. Some key features of this amplifier are built-in energy saving, power saving by up to 80%. It features individual displays for staff and customer adjustments and individual fault lights for easy detection. There are also recording facilities, call button facilities and feedback control. I will now talk you through the setup and controls of the amplifier. Connect the amplifier using the instruction manual supplied with your system. On the front panel of the amplifier, you have an on-off button, a settings button and volume control buttons. You can now power the amplifier on by pressing the power button. Green lights will display to show that there was power to the system. The amplifier has been factory set but can be adjusted to better suit the environment. This is done by simply pressing the plus or minus buttons. The A31H amplifier has an engineer mode setting which allows you to set the system up to suit the environment. To enter engineer's mode, you will need to recycle the power. There are two ways to do this. One, switch it off at the mains, or two, just pull out the DC connector and then replug it in. Once you've done that, you have 20 seconds to press the settings and the two plus buttons at the same time. Once you've done that, the indicator will flash to let you know that you're in engineer's mode. There are three settings in the engineer's mode. The first one being the volume in and volume out. Pressing the settings button again will take you into the ducking circuit. Press it again, it will take you into the induction loop system. Press it once more and you'll go back to the volume in and volume out. To set the system up to suit the environment that it's installed in, you can now simply decrease both volumes Once you've done this, you can then adjust the volume up on the volume in until it's a comfortable level. Once you're happy with that level, you can then move on to the volume out. Adjusting the volume out until you reach feedback. Once you get feedback, you can then decrease the volume until the feedback stops. Once the feedback has stopped, the system is ready to go. If you need to adjust the ducking circuit or the induction loop, this can be done in the same way. To save the settings and exit engineer's mode, press the power button. If the front panel hasn't been adjusted within a 2-minute period, the system will automatically switch into normal mode, but remember the settings. The amplifier has built-in fault detection. If there's an issue with the microphone, number 8 will show red. If the fault is with the induction loop, number 8 will flash. That concludes our STS-A31H amplifier setup. For more information or advice on our window intercom systems, call us today on 01732 223 900 or email us at sales@contacta.co.uk.